Welcome to all dog lovers. Today we're talking about one of the most adorable and special breeds, pugs. These small, flat-nosed companions with expressive eyes not only win hearts with their playful personalities, but also require specific care due to their unique characteristics. If you love these charming canines or are thinking about adopting one, this video is for you. Together we'll learn how to keep your pug happy, healthy, and full of energy. From their diet to the special care they need because of their brachycephalic condition, we'll cover everything essential to give them the best quality of life. Don't forget to like this video if you find it useful, and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our upcoming pet care content. Every subscription helps us continue creating valuable material for you and your furry friend. Do you have a pug at home? Tell us in the comments about your experience living with this wonderful breed. Now, without further ado, let's begin with the essential care for your pug. The pug breed, originating from China, is a small canine breed that makes excellent companion animals for small houses and apartments. Measuring 12 to 14 inches long, 30 to 36 centimeters, and weighing between 13 to 22 pounds, 6 to 10 kilograms. They have a square, stocky body characterized by being brachycephalic. This means their skull is fused at the frontal and parietal bones, giving them their distinctive head shape, along with slight prognathism where the jaw protrudes beyond the vertical plane of the face. Their muzzle is short and sturdy, with wrinkled facial skin and bulging eyes. The tail is short and curled, similar to a pig's, with a very docile temperament. They typically get along well with children, playing with them, and adapt to adult lifestyles, classifying them as companion dogs. Although intelligent and somewhat active, they tire easily. Most of the time, they maintain rapid breathing through their muzzle, particularly noticeable when they sleep, producing loud snoring. However, this breed has some recurring health issues. The main problems are respiratory, since their short muzzle prevents proper air warming or filtration during breathing. This paralyzes the mucosal cilia due to cold air, allowing bacteria to colonize the upper respiratory tract, resulting in frequent coughing, sneezing, and phlegm. Their skin is prone to dermatitis, pyoderma, or fungal problems, especially in their facial wrinkles where water accumulates when they drink or bathe, creating an ideal environment for infections. Their eyes, being more exposed than normal, tend to dry out from inadequate lubrication and are vulnerable to injuries during fights with other dogs, sometimes even leading to eye loss. During walks, they may suffer heat stroke or breathing difficulties from overexertion, worsened by their characteristic breathing and weighing more than other breeds of similar size. They require special care due to their morphology. Walks should happen when temperatures aren't extreme to avoid sudden changes that could make them sick or cause thermal shock. They also shouldn't be exposed to intense sunlight as it could damage their eyes, but shouldn't be kept confined either since they gain weight easily, especially if given food outside meal times. We recommend feeding them once daily until satisfied to control their weight. The facial wrinkles should be cleaned regularly with a baby wipe or slightly damp cloth, ideally every 3 to 4 days. Regarding reproduction, 90% of births require C-sections due to the puppy's head size relative to the birth canal, typically resulting in litters of 3 to 4 pups. Constant access to fresh water is essential, especially on hot days. Baths should be given no more than every 2 weeks using mild soap, not flea shampoo, thoroughly drying between wrinkles to prevent residual moisture that could cause skin issues. While this breed requires several specific care routines, many are simple organizational matters and others take just minutes, which hasn't stopped pugs from remaining one of the most beloved and popular breeds. And that brings us to the end of our journey through the wonderful world of pugs. We hope you've enjoyed learning more about these adorable companions and their special care requirements. Now we'd love to know what surprised or delighted you most about this breed. Do you have any funny pug stories? Share your experiences in the comments with our community of dog lovers. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss more content like this. Hit the notification bell to be first to see our new videos. Want to take it further? Become a channel member. For just a small fee, You'll get early access to videos before they go public, plus other special perks. Your support helps us keep creating quality content for you and your furry friend. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time with more tips, fun facts, and everything you need to care for your pets properly. Until then, give your pug, or your future pug, some extra snuggles from us.